Steve Jobs from Apple contacted Corning Gorilla Glass to request the development of durable glass for smartphones. Now, it is a significant player in the automotive industry. This innovative glass was developed in a laboratory in upstate New York. Corning's team of leading scientists dedicated many hours to understanding how glass breaks when dropped. They conducted extensive tests to enhance its strength and durability against rough surfaces. The creation of Gorilla Glass for windshields and auto glass starts with Corning's unique fusion draw manufacturing process. This precise and automated process creates a thin sheet of cover glass that boasts exceptional surface quality, optical clarity, and dimensional stability. This glass is so thin that it is measured in microns. It remains untouched by human hands to prevent any flaws in its surface. If you're searching for Gorilla Glass for your Jeep, Ford truck, Porsche, or smart vehicle, reach out to Quality Glass Service. We're here to assist you.
Get high-quality windshield replacement in Mesa with Quality Glass Service.